Hello guys, how are you today? So here I'm gonna show you something in real time that this is a campaign that is running right now, and I just wanted to show you how I wanted to scale it, and it's exactly following what I've been telling you in the past video, like how to scale things. So basically, we had those one, two, okay, three, four alt sets. Like those are the old ones. Um, those are the old ones, and as I said before, like we had some sales from this. This is two sales. Actually, it is on 14 sales right now, and it's showing 8. So there is a mess up as usual. So we were on 14 sales, and we got 3 sales from this one because I know this is why I tell you to track to put the URL track so you know each one how much sales it brought exactly from the platform that you're using and not Facebook, because whoever buys a 2, it's still considered as one purchase for Facebook. So let me just tell you what's going on here. So this one we chose to shut it down because it wasn't getting us anything, only link clicks, and it spent $8 and it didn't get any add to cart but one. So we thought this wasn't like performing the best, and we already had 3 guys working here. So after we separated, after we let those run for 48 hours, as I told you before, that was like the scaling time. So what we did next is we opened a retargeting ad, as I told you, and it already brought 1 sale. Actually it brought 2 sales, but it's 1 purchase here. Facebook sees it, and it's $3 per purchase, which is like great. Okay, so what next do we do is take a good you remember when I told you to observe your knowing your buying audience? So this is exactly what you have to do. Listen to me and listen to me well how you do this the best way. So here we've got a lot of assets, and just ignore those ones, the ones that I did here, and go to only the original ones. So I mean the ones who've got sales or things. So we go here, as I told you, and we go to age and gender, and here it will be like showing all the assets, like all the assets. So how do we do this to see what is like the general for all assets? So we come here, and most of you guys don't know how to do this, so pay attention to this. Assets in this campaign, and you go in this campaign. Aha! Now it shows us all the things, like all the assets, data, and we come here and we put purchase. And here we have a winning age. Remember when I told you there is sometimes there is only one winning age, and not like that example I used in the last time. So obviously 18 to 24 male is our winning age. So add to carts is 15, initiate checkout is 9, and link clicks is 38, and purchase is 5. So this is our winning age. So what did I do next? Easy peasy. Let's go down, let's go back to assets in this campaign. So this will show us the assets, and let's not break down. So this is what I did next. I came here, and as I told you before, Scandinavian to 18 to 24 only, and male, this is what I did. I did a new alt for those guys. Scandinavia is the Sweden and all the countries that I told you before. Sweden, Norway, Denmark, Netherlands, and this is the one asset. I can see that it is performing well and it will bring some sale eventually. So 2 add to carts, 9 link clicks for $5 spend, which is like good. Here you can see that the CPM is also good. The CPM is $3 in the Scandinavian countries, while in Italy and Spain, it also brought us 9 link clicks and 2 add to carts. Eventually, there will be a sale, I think. Here we're still waiting and giving it some opportunity, but obviously it's worth like the try. And here in France and Germany, separated also, we've got 5 link clicks and 1 add to cart. So it has spent $7 so far. So we'll let it run for tomorrow and see if it's going to do better. But see, guys, this is the way that you need to do stuff. So we saw that it was working in the UK. So we've done the retargeting first of all, and we see that it's working for us. And then we opened some alt sets for the winning age in France, Germany together, Italy, Spain, Poland together, and Scandinavian countries together. So I just wanted to show you this quick example how we do scaling. Sometimes it works, like 90% of the time it works, and 10% it doesn't work. So don't freak out if it doesn't work, and instead try like to break down like each one of those has a lot of interest inside. So I will need to like break down and do 18 to 24 because I already know the winning age, and do each interest alone now next if it doesn't work. So I'll try my best to optimize and to scale this campaign while not losing the ROI. So we spent like 84 and we already sold 14, which shows me here 140 euros. So we're still in a good ROI. It's not the best, but it's still good. So we can do some stuff here. As long as you are still in a positive ROI, everything is cool. Everything is beautiful. The sun is rising. There is flowers everywhere, and there is good food. Oh, that being said, I'm hungry now. I need to go and eat maybe. But I just wanted to show you this quick example of how things going, because it's a campaign in the scaling process. Now where I want to scale it, and now when I want to like take good decisions. So as I told you before, I'm not doing anything different. So everything as you already know, guys. So I'm gonna do a next one about that big campaign. So stay tuned. Bye bye for now.